Mechanical digestion begins in the mouth as teeth grind food to increase surface area. The salivary glands are stimulated, releasing saliva that contains salivary amylase and mucin, beginning chemical digestion, breaking down polysaccharides into maltose or disaccharides or shorty polysaccharides. Cellulose is one carbohydrate that cannot be digested in humans. The tongue's movement shapes the food particle into a bolus that is moved into the pharynx when the epiglottis is down and the esophageal sphincter is relaxed. It then passes into the esophagus, which moves the food particle down to the stomach by peristalsis. The stomach breaks proteins into shorter polypeptides. Gastrin stimulates the secretion of gastric juice, which mixes with food into chyme. One component is hydrochloric acid, which has a low pH. Enterocarinase activates pepsinogen, zymogen, into pepsin, which cleaves proteins into small polypeptides. Further digestion of these small polypeptides into amino acids occurs in the intestine by dipeptidases, including carboxypeptidase and aminopeptidase. The pyloric sphincter relaxes, releasing some chyme into the small intestine, where most digestion occurs. In the duodenum, which is regulated by enterogastrone, like secretin, chyme mixes with digestive juices from the pancreas, liver, and gallbladder, whose secretion is controlled by cholestycytokinin. The sodium bicarbonate produced in the pancreas ensures that the pH is restored to higher levels, and trypsin and chymotrypsin and pancreatic amylase are also secreted into the duodenum. Additionally, disaccharides and nucleases dissolve intracellular material by breaking down disaccharides into monosaccharides and DNA into RNA into nucleotides. Bile is made by the liver and stored in the gallbladder and contains bile salts, which emulsify fat. The small intestine is covered in finger-like projections, called villi and microvilli, also known as brush border cells. Many nutrients are absorbed in the bloodstream, but some fat globules are emulsified by lipase from fat into glycerol and fatty acids. The large intestine includes the cecum, rectum, and appendix. Water is absorbed from the feces in the ileum, which is stored in the rectum until it can be expelled through the anus.